Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a About Us page on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to our online store. Then from in here, you should be able to see the option for pages. Head over and click on this pages right here. Now in this, head over and click on this add page. Now on this page that we have, let's actually name this About Us. And you can just put in here the information that you have about your store or about yourself. But since it's a tutorial, I will just use this product or content generator in order to generate me a page. But if you're an actual store, make sure to make an About Us page in order to let visitors or customers know more about you. Now, as you can see, this is what my store will look like. This is my About page. So make sure that this is visible. After that, click on the Save button. But as you can see right here, let's celebrate and see our online store. As you can see, the About Us page is not here yet. So what we can do is we can head back right here, click on navigation. Now we can add our About Us page on our menu. Head over to the main menu right here. And then let's click on this add menu item. Now let's name is About Us. And then let's also search for the About Us page right here. Click on this one. Click on add right here. After that, save your progress. Now head over to your store again and then refresh your store. As you can see, the About Us page will actually enable us and we should be able to see the About Us page right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.